Hi everyone, this is Vinay here from Learn Coding with Vinay, and I would like to welcome you to my channel, which is Learn Coding with Vinay, and also like to welcome to brand new playlist or video series. In this video series, we are going to build contact list APIs using ASP.NET Core 9 Web API, and we will be using ChatGPT as our coding assistant. Right. Now, why contact list? Right. So, managing contacts is one of the simplest and most practical use case to start learning any programming languages, technology or framework. Right. See, in my experience, what I have seen as a beginner, many learners directly jump into e-commerce or banking applications. So while these are popular, but they come with a heavy business logic and domain complexity, right? Which often distracts learner from actually learning the core concept of that particular programming language or framework or technology, whatever they have chosen, right? So as a beginner, the primary focus should be learning the core concept, fundamentals or syntax of that particular programming languages, right? So that is the reason I have kept the use case simpler, which is a contact list application, right? And that is because we are using it on a day to day basis, we know in and out of it, right? Now let me take you to the few images so that you will have a clear idea what we are going to build in this video series, right? So, okay, so here is the screen where we see our contacts, right, in our mobile, and we see all the contact listed in a to z order, right? We have an option of creating new contact, we have option of searching contact also. This is the search contact screen where we can search a mobile number by typing either mobile number or even contact name, right? And next is the example of creating a new contact. Now we will try to keep the fields over here minimal, so that to reduce the complexity, because I don't want to complicate the example more. So we will keep only few fields only while creating and editing the contact, right? In actual scenario, in actual real world, mobile application, we might see a lot of other fields while we are creating a contact. Now next is this is the edit screen. Here we can edit the contact details. Right, let me take you few more. Right, so this is the call history where incoming calls, outgoing calls are listed. And one more screen, and this is a screen where we have listed the SMS history SMS history of the contacts. Right. So in the background, right, there are APIs written that actually pulls this data and displays on our mobile screen. Right. So we will work on the API part in this video series. Right. What other stuff a learner will learn is build API using ASP.NET Core 9 and with the both coding practices. Right. Test and validate APIs like a professional using Swagger and Postman. Secure APIs using JWT authentication. And last, not the least, the most important in nowadays, right, is to use ChatGPT as our coding assistant. And we will also learn how to effectively write prompt so that ChatGPT gives us the best response that we can directly use it in our code. So, so with this explanation, if you are excited to learn something new, stay tuned with this video series, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.